Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty. So in today's video, I'm going to actually share with you all some unique beauty products that I recently purchased. So this is the new series that I wanted to start. So there are so many products that keep coming up in the market and I love purchasing them and I wanted to share with you some of them as well. So today I'm going to share with you 4 new unique products. So if you want to see what they are, then please keep on watching. So recently I'd been to H&M and I purchased clothing as well, and I know I have to do a try on haul, which I've been saying for a really long time, but trust me, I am just finding the right location because I have so many nice things to show you guys. So obviously I'm going to shoot that one because I'm really excited to show you guys what are the clothing items I purchased. So when I was at the billing counter, I saw these cute keychains, and when I actually picked them up, they were really unique, and I'm just going to show it to you right now. So this is what they look like. Okay, so these are the 2 keychains that I got. Now you might be thinking that they are actually just keychains, but they are not. They are actually mini makeup products, and this is a really cool idea. So these 3 are like mini makeup products here, right here. So this is like an eye set. So this has an eyeliner, a mascara and a brow gel. Okay, and this one right here has 3 lip glosses of different shades. I'm obviously going to zoom in so you all can see because these are really unique products. So what interested me most about these products is actually the idea. So you can just put these on your bags, and wherever you're going, if you want to do some touch-ups, you can just use these minis. You don't have to carry a lot of makeup with you, and these are really affordable as well. This was for like €5, which is really good. So I'm just going to show you up close. Okay, so this is what they look like. Okay, so this is like the keychain, and then these 3 are the minis right here. So this has the mascara, then this is the brow gel I think, and then this is the eyeliner, and this is really cute. I just hope you all can see properly how it looks like. Okay, so this is the first set that I got. And the second one actually has 3 lip glosses, and this is what they look like. So there are 3 different colors. So this is like a light pink one, then a peach one, and then a hot pink as well. So these are the 3 keychains and they look super cute. So I will just quickly show you guys how each of these look like individually. So the first one, this one right here, is a brow gel. Okay, I love the packaging on these. And then you just open this up. Okay, and then you have this wand right here. Okay, so this is how the wand looks like. So I haven't set my brows today. Let's see if this works. So this is a clear brow gel. Okay. Oh, it's really nice. I mean, it's keeping the brows in place. I don't know for how long it'll keep it, but not bad, right? Then the second is actually a mascara, and this is what that one looks like. Let me just show you the mascara wand. Oh wow, this is really tiny. And this is what that mascara looks like. Moving on to the third product, which is an eyeliner, and then the same packaging as the previous one. Okay, and this is what it looks like. It's a liquid liner. Okay, not bad. I mean, the pigmentation on this is really good. So this is what it looks like. Not bad at all. So this was the first set. Now I'm just going to swatch the lip glosses for you. The first lip gloss is a nice peach color, and this is what that one looks like. Obviously I don't expect a lot of pigmentation out of these, but I just wanted to try it out. Oh, it's nice. It is going to be sticky for sure. So this is what the first shade looks like. Okay, so it's a nice peach color. I obviously don't expect a lot of pigmentation out of these because H&M is not a beauty brand as such. But again, the idea is really nice and unique, and that's the reason I purchased these. The next one is like a nice hot pink color, and this is what that one looks like. I'm going to swatch the third one also, and this is like a clear lip gloss with some glitter in it. I actually don't own a clear lip gloss, so this is really nice. So this was the shade that I swatched, okay, the hot pink one, and this is the clear lip gloss. So now moving on to the next 2 products that I purchased. So the first one is actually from a brand called Wycon. So this is again a brand from Milan, and this is their soft mousse eyeshadow. So the thing that really intrigued me is the concept. It's like a mousse eyeshadow. The shade that I picked up is actually called as 09 Hot Pink. and this is what the packaging looks like. So this brand is also really affordable. This was for around 8 or 9 euros, and again the packaging on this is really nice. Okay, so this says Vicon on it. Okay, and then this is the product inside. So this is like a nice jar, and the color is really unique, so that's the reason I picked this one up. So this is what the product looks like up close. As you can see, this is a nice mousse and the color is really pretty. Now I'm just going to swatch this one for you so you all can see how the texture is. Wow, it's really soft. So it's like a combination of pink and gold. So I'm just going to swatch it in front of you. See, as you can see, the pigmentation of these is really nice, and then you can obviously just like blend it like nicely on your fingers like this. So it looks really pretty once you apply it all over your lid. So the reason I love this particular concept is because it's perfect for amateurs as well. You can just take some of it and apply all over your eyelid, and if you want some extra definition, then you can just line your eyes with it as well, like with an eyeliner. So you know, you just get a perfect eye makeup look with this, and you don't even need to put in a lot of effort. The last product that I have for you guys is also from Vicon Cosmetics, and this is their glossy liquid lipstick. So the thing that intrigued me is actually the name itself. It says glossy liquid lipsticks. So you've come across so many liquid lipsticks, but all of them are matte in the market. So obviously because people love matte lipsticks. But then this one is actually a glossy liquid lipstick. So I really wanted to get my hands on this. And again, I had swatched this earlier in the store and it stayed on for a really long time on my hand. So I really wanted to try it out because I thought it's going to be long lasting. And sometimes you also should go for the glossy look because it looks really nice and it makes your lips look really full as well. So I got the shade 05 Forever Strawberry. Again, there are like 8 or 9 shades in these. And this is what the packaging looks like. So these were for around 10 euros, which is around 700 rupees, which is not bad at all. And this is what the packaging looks like up close. So it's really nice because obviously you can see the color in this. Now I'm just going to swatch the shade for you so you all can see how the color looks like. So this is the color. Okay, so it's a nice hot pink color. As you can see, the pigmentation on these is really good. Okay, but when you swatch them on the hand, the pigmentation appears to be extremely nice. But once you apply them on your lips, you actually have to apply like 2 or 3 layers of this, because I tried it on today and as you can see, this is what the color looks like. Okay, so I'm not really happy with the quality of these. I mean the formula of these liquid lipsticks. They're obviously really glossy and all of that stuff, but you have to apply like 2 or 3 layers of these, and they're not sticky, which is a good thing because you don't want sticky lip glosses. So I'm not a big fan of this formula and I would definitely not recommend getting it as such, but I'm obviously going to keep it on my lips for some time and see if it works, and if it does, then I will definitely include it in like a favorites video or something of that sort if I like them. But as of now, I don't particularly like them or dislike them as such. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends as well, and let me know which was your favorite product amongst these. I love reading your comments as well. And last but definitely not the least, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now so that you all are notified with each and every video, and I will see you in the next one. Love you.